Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Mihran Kirakosian. Today we're going to work on the shuffle. I'm going to teach you guys 2 shuffle steps that you could incorporate into your freestyle. I'll show it to you with music first and then I'll break it down. Alright guys, here we go from the top. So the first thing we got to remember for the shuffle, especially for this first step we're going to do, is pretty much the running man. Okay, so if you're familiar with the running man, you should have an easy time with this. If not, we'll do it right now. So from the very top, what you're going to need to do is bring the right leg up. I'm doing a profile so you can see the step. Right leg up. Okay, when you put it down, you're going to slide the left leg back. So you're going and 1. Okay, try it one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. One last time. 6, 7, 8, go, and 1. Good. Now you're going to switch the legs. You need to bring the left leg up, which means you're going to slide the right leg back and then start the whole thing again. So now the left leg goes back. Boom, switch. 1, switch. Yeah, here we go from the top. Bring up the right leg and slide. 1, switch, and 2, and 3. As you can see, I go flat down on that front leg. The back leg is a little raised. Once you get comfortable, if you could bring it down, it might look even cooler. But for now, just do your best. So one more time, switch and down, and switch, and switch, and switch. Good. From the top, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Like I said, if you're familiar with the step and if you've done the running man, you'll catch on really quick. If you haven't, it's going to take you a little bit of time. So to slow it down one more time. 6, 7, 8. Bring your leg up on and. You have to be down on 1. 1. Switch. And down. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Good. Now remember, you want to keep the feet flat on the ground if you can. That back leg is going to come up a little bit like it always does, but that's fine in the beginning. But once you get used to it, the more flat you keep it, the better it's going to look, okay? So that's pretty much the step for the first shuffle. So one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So remember, again, it's all about doing the step as many times as you can until you could do it super fast. And also, it's just the tempo. The more you do it, the faster you're going to be able to do it. So if you want, start on a slower beat just to get the step down, and then speed it up to the tempo that I had, okay? One last time together, then we're moving on to the second step. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, and you can move with this. 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Good. Second step, which is just a side step. So it's a side shuffle. 2 things you need to do. The first leg does the same exact thing. It comes up, touch to the side. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep doing this. 7, 8. Good job. Make sure the right leg comes up on and again, and you just touch, 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 touch. Yeah. You could go toes or you could go flat. It's up to you. So that, 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 that. The left leg for now is going to twist, 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 twist. So you're twisting in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. So you're going to twist with the left leg. You're going to go 1, up on your toes, 2, 3, 4. Good. You put it together, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And you use this step to travel to the right or to the left. So if you're traveling, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, move, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you're just constantly moving. One more time, 6, 7, 8, and move, 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 move. Good. One more time, 6, 7, 8, go touch, touch, 3, 4, 5. Good. So just remember, every time you touch, you have to be twisted all the way. And every time your right leg comes up, your left leg is straight. Okay, same thing. Let's move to the left side. So the left leg comes up now. Up. Same idea. We just touch, touch, 3, 4. Good. Right leg. Twist. Remember, toes. Twist, 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 twist. Yeah, put it together. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Make sure you also lean away from that leg to make the step a little bigger than it is. Okay, so you are using your upper body and you're leaning away. So connect them together in place. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do the same thing, traveling now. 7, 8, and travel. 2, 3, 4. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's see if you can do both sides. So going to the left first, which means the left leg comes up. 7, 8, and 1. Travel. 2, 3, 4. Good. To the right side. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So step number 1, shuffling in place, basic running man shuffle. 3, 4, 5. Do it as many times as you need until you get comfortable. Second step, side step, traveling. That, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, let's try to connect both steps together. So if the steps were easy, this should be a little bit challenging for you when you connect it together, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're bringing up the left leg on and push it down. 1, and 2. And then you're going to switch, slide the left leg over, bring up the right leg here. Start the whole process again. 1, and 2, slide. 1, and twist, 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 slide. Good. Remember, when you slide, make it a real slide. Yeah, don't do a jump, because if you do a jump, it's not going to read well. So 1, move, hit, 1, 2, move, boom, gap, hit, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, stop. Good. Again, if you're not familiar with the steps, you will have a hard time connecting them. So you just need to do it over and over and over. Work on step 1, work on step 2, feel comfortable with it, then connect it. Let's do it one more time slow. 7, 8, you're going and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. So that's a really good tempo to start with. Just keep drilling it to that tempo. Once you get comfortable, you're going to try to speed it up yourself. So let's try one more time, that same tempo. We're going to work on that. Then I'll do another one faster, which is where you want to get to. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, stop. Good. Now faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it one more time. slow, and that would be it, okay, guys? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Stop.